How to create Ghibli art images for free. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Grok 3. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on the first link that pops up, which is the official Grok.com. And you'll simply sign in to your account using your Google account. It is only possible if you sign in. After that, you'll find attachment at the bottom left. Simply click on attachment and then select your picture that you want to create. After you've selected your picture, type in convert this image to Ghibli style and then send it by clicking on arrow which is facing upwards. After you've sent, you'll find result in this way. Simply click on the picture. You can also download it from here by clicking on save at the bottom. And this is how to create Ghibli images for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.